I made a mistake. It's not a huge one, at least not financially, but I really feel bad about it, and it's important for me to get it off my chest. But before I do that, I just have to get something sweet and some coffee. So we all know that fundamentals, valuations, and analysis are very important in investing. But what is the most important thing is controlling our emotions. And I just can't find anything sweet here. I'll just make coffee. And I don't know about you, but I have this feeling that I can control my emotions pretty well when it comes to investing. But a few months ago, I have been tested, and looking back at it, I realized that I have failed. So I sold a stock of a company even though I felt it was a wrong thing to do. But if you know this book, Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman, then you know that we make emotional decisions and then the rational part of our brain just tries to justify it as a rational and not an emotional decision. So around a year ago, I bought shares of Crocs. And I actually made a video about this company back then, and I also made one recently. And I had the thesis why I thought this was a good long-term investment. First of all, they bought the Hey Dude brand, and they were also cheap. So I believed that they could expand not only as Crocs, but also as Hey Dude to make it a global brand as well. And I was asked when it went up around 50%, are you selling? And I said, no, I'm in it for the long term. And then new possibilities came to my attention. And when it went up by 100%, I thought, okay, so I'll sell that and I'll invest that money into the other two possibilities. And it's not that I think I made a mistake by investing in the other companies. It's the fact that I have disrupted the compounding. That I sold a company even though my thesis didn't change. I sold even though it was all going according to plan. So it wasn't so much a bad financial decision as just, a decision that made me feel bad, that I didn't act the way I should have. I have to get something sweet. So we have to learn from our own mistakes, learn about ourselves, about how we react in certain situations. And I just hope I can embrace this lesson and not give up on my ideas just to grab the next big thing. I just hope I can be, stronger mentally in the future. And speaking of being strong mentally, I have to go and grab something sweet. So see you in the next one.